Right now, an attorney somewhere just opened a legal nurse consultant's report, read the first 2 paragraphs, and closed it. And they're not going to call her back. And that's not because her nursing work was wrong, but because she gave the attorney what she thought they needed instead of what they actually wanted. So today I'm going to show you exactly what that is. What do attorneys want? And how to make sure you're always the LNC that attorney calls first. My name's Randy. I've been a nurse since 1999. I run a successful LNC firm, and I've helped hundreds of nurses learn to do the same thing. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and gain access to my free introductory training, just click the link below and get started with it. But here's something nobody tells you when you're getting started as a legal nurse consultant. Attorneys, they're grading you from the moment that you send them that first report, from the first time you talk to them. Most of them, though, they're not going to tell you when they read the report that you've missed the mark. They're just not going to call you again. And I want you to think about that. You put in hours. You read through thousands of pages of medical records. You write what you thought was a solid chronology. The attorney gets it, reads it, and never responds. You follow up, still nothing. You sit there wondering, what the heck went wrong? This is the silent career killer in legal nurse consulting. It's not bad nursing. It's not a lack of credentials. It's not even marketing. It's delivering work that doesn't speak the attorney's language. And I've watched incredibly talented nurses lose repeat business and referrals simply because nobody ever showed them what attorneys are actually looking for. So today, I want that to change for you, because once you understand what I'm about to share with you, you're going to start producing work that makes attorneys pull out their phone at a dinner and show it off. I've seen it happen. In fact, I'll tell you about it. See, I left a job where I was flying around the country in first class, going into hospitals to help them fix their issues, and I left to start my own legal nurse consulting firm. Man, I had to figure it out real quick, what attorneys actually value, because my livelihood depended on it. Quite honestly, I was learning on the fly. And some of what I learned came through making mistakes. There were early reports that I sent out that were technically correct and accurate, real solid nursing work, but they weren't what the attorney actually needed. And I felt that in the silence that followed. But over time, by building real relationships with attorney clients, by asking questions, by listening, not just about the case, but about their business, their pressure points, how they think, I developed a really clear picture of what they're really looking for. And I built that understanding into everything I teach at Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 5 things attorneys really want from a legal nurse consultant. Things that will make you the LNC, the one that they call back, the one they refer out, the one they rave about to colleagues. This is the insider framework I wish someone had handed me on day one. And it doesn't start where a lot of people think it does. You might be thinking, Randy, I know what an attorney wants. They want a good chronology. And you're not wrong. But that's so surface level. Every LNC they talk to promises a good chronology. What I'm talking about goes deeper than that. This is what separates the LNCs who get one case from the ones who build a 6-figure business on repeat clients and referrals. So, enough chatting. Let's get into it. The first thing I want to talk about is clarity, not necessarily comprehensiveness. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see new legal nurse consultants make. They try to include everything. I did this when I started too. You read a 5,000-page medical record and feel compelled to document all of it. And I get it. I understand the instinct. Because in nursing, thoroughness is a virtue. We document everything. We flag everything. We leave no stone unturned. But an attorney's not reading your chronology the same way a nursing supervisor reads your charting. An attorney is building a case. They have a theory of liability. They have a story they're trying to tell, or a story they're trying to defend. And what they need from you is not a transcript of the medical record. What they need is clarity on what matters to their case. I tell our nurses at Catalyst, your job is to be a detective, not a historian. You're not there to document what happened. You're there to identify what's relevant, what's significant, what helps the attorney understand the clinical picture as it relates to the legal theory of the case. That's a very different skill, but it's learnable. Amanda, she's one of our Catalyst members who figured this out really fast. She became an absolute specialist in demand letters out the gates. And the first time she submitted one, that attorney got policy limits on that case. Guess what? The very next call she got, the attorney said, here's 2 more cases. That's the power of giving attorneys what they actually need and not just providing what you think you should. Okay, second thing, speed and reliability. Attorneys operate in a world of hard deadlines. Depositions, hearings, filing deadlines. These dates don't easily move. And if you miss a deadline, or if an attorney can't count on you to deliver when you said you would, you're not just affecting one case. You're damaging their practice, their reputation, and that's not something they're going to forgive. Now, I want to be clear on this. Speed does not mean rushing your work. Please don't do that. It means being someone they can count on. It means communicating proactively if something is going to take longer than you thought it would. It means meeting or beating the timeline you committed to every single time without fail. One of the first things we teach in our Catalyst Business Accelerator program is how to give accurate time and cost estimates before you take a case. You have to not only know how long it's going to actually take you before you commit to a deadline, but you also have to understand what the fair market value for your work is on each case. Nothing destroys trust faster than under-delivering on a promise that you made up front. But when you're reliable, when an attorney knows that if they send you a case on Monday and you said, hey, I'll have it back to you by next Thursday, it's going to be there next Thursday. That's when you become indispensable. That's when they stop looking for other options, because why would they? You're a sure thing. Okay, number 3 thing they're looking for is attorney-focused communication. I think this is something that trips up a lot of nurses, especially those with strong clinical backgrounds. They write their reports the way that they'd write a nursing note, full of medical terminology, clinical language, detailed documentation of symptoms and interventions. And the problem is, that's not how attorneys think. Attorneys are not clinicians. They need to be able to read your work and immediately understand the clinical picture as it applies to their case. That means using plain language when possible. It means defining medical terms when you use them. It means framing your findings in terms of what they mean for the case, not just what they mean clinically. I always say, write for a smart person who doesn't have a nursing license, because that's exactly who your audience is. And if you can make a complicated medical situation crystal clear to someone that doesn't have clinical training, you're going to be worth your weight in gold. Rachel, one of our incredible Catalyst success stories, she understood this really fast. She said her biggest shift was learning to ask herself, what does this mean for the attorney's case? Before including anything in that report, before including it in the chronology. And that filter transformed her work product. Within 4 weeks of marketing the way I teach, she already had 3 attorney clients. And within months, she had referrals coming in on autopilot. Okay, the 4th thing. Red flags and insights that they don't see. This one's where your nursing expertise becomes your single greatest differentiator. Because the truth is, any attorney can read a medical record. They do it all the time. What they can't do is look at a medical record and know from clinical experience that something's not right, something's off, that a lab value should have triggered a different intervention, that the timing of a medication was inconsistent with the standard of care, that there's a red flag buried in the findings that changes the entire trajectory of the case. That is your superpower. And when you deliver on it, when you put something in front of an attorney that they didn't know to look for, and it turns out to be significant, you've just proven your value in a way no other professional can match. Another of our Catalyst members understood this instinctively when her dad was in the hospital. She was reading through his scans because Catalyst had taught her to look beyond the impression, to dig into the findings. And she found things in the medical records that the medical team had missed. She advocated for additional testing, and as a result, her dad made a full recovery. That's the same skill applied in a clinical setting that makes attorneys sit up straight when they read your reports. Don't just document what happened. Tell the attorney what it means. Identify the deviations from standard of care. Flag the inconsistencies and show them what a trained clinical eye sees that they can't. That's the value proposition of a great legal nurse consultant. Okay, fifth and final one, be a trusted partner, not just a vendor. I want to share something with you that fundamentally changed how I built my legal nurse consulting business. Attorneys don't just want a service provider. They want a trusted partner. It's in our tagline at Loveless Legal Nurse Consulting. Someone who understands their practice, their goals, their clients, their pressure points, their pain. Someone who makes their job easier, not just on one case, but on every case they bring you. When you become that person, when you go from being someone they hire once to someone that they think of as part of their team, man, everything changes. Your income stabilizes. The referrals start coming in. You stop chasing clients. You start fielding calls. And that's the business that I want to help every single one of you build. So how do you become that trusted partner? Well, it starts with the quality of your work product, absolutely. But it goes further. It's checking in after a case to find out how it went. It's asking what types of cases they're seeing more of, positioning yourself and your expertise to match it. It's remembering the details about their practice, referencing them in your follow-up. It's treating every interaction like a long-term relationship and not just a business transaction. Now, backing up, let me put all of this in context, because here's what happens when you master these 5 skills. You don't just get more cases, you get better clients. You get repeat business without chasing. Imagine that. You get referrals you didn't ask for, and you build the kind of reputation in the legal community that creates a business that can sustain itself. One of our Catalyst nurses, her name's Rachel too, she named her company after her late father's cattle ranch. Started marketing on January 27th. Remembers the exact day she hit send on that first email. 4 weeks later, she had her first attorney client. A week after that, her second. 2 weeks after that, her second client referred her to a third. Because she did the work right. Because she spoke the attorney's language. Because she was a trusted partner from the very first case. All right. You now know the 5 things attorneys really want from a legal nurse consultant. Clarity, not comprehensiveness. Speed and reliability. Attorney-focused communication. Clinical insights that they can't see themselves. And a trusted partnership. Partnership built on consistency and relationship. Here's the thing. Knowing these 5 things is step 1. The next step is learning how to consistently deliver on all 5 of them in a way that gets you called back, referred out, and raved about. And that's exactly what we teach inside of Catalyst Coaching and Mentoring. We walk you through the creation of world-class work products from day 1. You complete 3 full practice cases with individualized video feedback on every single one of them. By the time you're done with that, you're not just confident in your work, you're exceptional at it. And exceptional is really what attorneys want. There's a link in the description of this video. Click that link and watch our free training. You'll learn more about the legal nurse field, and you'll get to walk through a real case with me. From there, you'll see the Catalyst framework, where I show you exactly how our program works and the kind of life that's waiting on the other side of this decision. And if it resonates with you, book a free roadmap call. My team would love to talk to you about your future. Remember that courage always comes before confidence. You've heard me say that before if you've watched many videos of me. The nurses who have changed their lives through Catalyst, they all had to take that first step before they felt like they were completely ready. And now, they're the ones attorneys call over and over again. You could be too. Click the link, take the first step toward your new future. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.